When giant junk food conglomerate J.M. Smucker isn't making Twinkies, peanut butter and jelly, and cheap motel coffee, they also make some of the worst quality dog food known to man's best friend. In 2018, J.M. Smucker was forced to recall several of its dog food brands after euthanasia drug was found to be in the dog food. Pentobarbital specifically was found in the Gravy Train dog food, which was supposed to be 100% beef, but turned out to actually be horse meat. Pentobarbital is an extremely powerful poison that's even used for capital punishment in some states. And if you're wondering how such a mix-up could happen, it's all because of the rendered meat products that are added to dog food. Rendered meat is basically the scraps of the factory farm industry. It's the animals that are not fit for human consumption. And the reason why euthanasia drug is found in some of this meat is because some of the animals that are unfit for human consumption are so because they were sick and dying and needed to be euthanized. The president of the Center for Veterinary Medicine at the FDA recognized that pentobarbital euthanasia drug being found in the pet food is a widespread problem. But he also recognized that rendered meat products are valuable to the pet industry and reduce strains on the environment. In other words, these big corporations think about your dog as a garbage disposal. Let's take a closer look at the full list of ingredients for Kibbles and Bits, one of those J.M. Smucker dog foods that had to be recalled for euthanasia drug. The first two ingredients, of course, are genetically modified corn, genetically modified soybean meal, which is confusing because I thought dogs were carnivores. When we finally get into some type of animal product, it's all rendered meat products. This shouldn't have surprised me, but it does. Corn syrup, aka the sugar that they use to sweeten Coca-Cola. You might as well just pour Coca-Cola into your dog's water dish and then wonder why your dog has tumors. After we get past the propylene glycol and all of the synthetic vitamins, we have every petroleum synthetic dye that there is. The wolves that we have befriended and formed a bond and a friendship and a working relationship with over thousands of years, that would literally take bullets for us, that would pull us on sleighs 50 miles or however long it took, that don't leave our side even when we feed them shit food, deserve much better than that.